What's up, my Credit with Capital crew? This is Renata with Credit with Capital. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell notification button so you won't miss out on any information that we put out on every single Wednesday. Now, today, we're going to talk about the secret to build credit and how to boost your credit with trade lines, okay? So without further ado, let's get it. Okay, you guys, now we're going to discuss about trade lines and how it actually helps you boost your credit score, okay? Now, building credit is essential to achieving financial goals, such as buying a house, a car, or getting a business loan. However, many of people build credit and be a daunting task, especially if they have little to no credit history or low scores. Anyway, to boost your credit score is by using trade lines, which are a type of credit accounts that helps people build credit quickly and effectively. Okay. Now, trade lines are simply a credit account that are listed in your credit report, including credit cards, personal loans, and other types of cards. These accounts can be used to build credit history, improve your credit score, and increase your credit worthiness. Trade lines can be used to establish credit um, and improve your credit as well as rebuilding your credit. Now, the secret to building credit with trade lines is to find the right trade line for you that matches your credit needs. There are two types of trade lines: primary trade lines and authorized user trade lines. Okay, primary trade lines are accounts that you can open and maintain yourself, while authorized user trade lines are accounts that you are added to an authorized user. Okay, now the most effective way to build your credit with trade lines is through authorized user trade lines. This is because authorized user trade lines can have a significant impact on your credit score in a short amount of time. When you add an authorized user on someone else's credit account, you benefit from their good credit history and positive payment history. Okay. Now, to maximize the benefits of authorized user trade lines, it is important to find a reliable and a trustworthy source for a trade line. Some companies specialize in providing authorized user trade lines to help build your credit. These companies work with people who have good credit history and positive payment history to add people as an authorized user on their account. Okay. Now, when you add an authorized user on a trade line, it is important to make sure that the account holder continues to make an on-time payments and maintain a low balance on their account. I always say, everybody always say 30%, but I always say keep it at 10%. But you are on an authorized user. You can't really tell them, how to use their card, okay? So this will ensure that the trade line continues to have a positive impact on your credit score. Now, another impact aspect of building credit trade line with trade lines is to make sure that you have a mixture of different types of credit accounts on your report. This can include credit cards, personal loans, car loans, and any other type of credit. Having a mixture of different types of credit accounts can help you build a strong credit history and improve your credit score over time. And having a mixture of different types of credit cards on your account, um, it it costs as 10% on your account. So it does weigh a percentage on your credit report, but not as much. And it does make a big difference. Now, in conclusion, bottom line, the secret of building credit with trade lines is to find the right trade line that matches your credit needs. Work with a reliable and trustworthy resources for trade lines, and make sure that you have a mixture of different types of credit card accounts on your credit report. Okay, now by using trade lines effectively, you can build your credit score and achieve your financial goals dramatically. Okay, now here at CreditReport Capital, we help people, individuals, to understand their personal credit and show individuals how to increase their credit score and maintain their credit score. In addition to credit restoration, we also explain what trade lines are, like I did before, as well as authorized users um, are, and why using these techniques is so important to improving, rebuilding, and getting yourself to closer to that financial freedom, which is so essential. Okay, so make sure you continue watching us. We are always dropping gems, and using a trade line or being on an authorized user is the best thing of all. Okay, now please check us out on Facebook as well as on Spotify for our on our channels, and please join our community on Facebook and become a CWC family. Okay, and please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, my name is Renata. This is Credit Wealth Capital. Be you, be true, and let's keep moving forward. And I'll see you on the next video.